It's a wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. As always, we give you something exceptional, and we are on an animal farm. So we are on a farm called Asenso Cottage Farm in Asante Mampong, and this whole area is a vast 15-acre plot of land that is like a paradise. So these are chicken that the client is doing like on his own. This is a personal consumption type of chicken. So he has friends outside Ghana who comes to visit, and they all take eat this same type of feed or the chicken. So at Asenso's farm, we have chicken, we have fish. So he has poultry farms, he has all the other farms, and then clients can invest on the farm as well. So if you invest, then you have your name on it, and then like that. And he had grass cutter, but he had some problems with the grass cutter, so they are not functioning anymore. So this is the space. This is just the utilized space, just the little of the utilized space, and we're going to the paradise bit of it, and then you will see what I'm talking about. So this is the whole space, and then very soon we'll be interviewing the gentleman involved with the whole project. So I am with Simon. Simon is the farm secretary for Asenso Cottage Farms. So Simon, how are you, sir? I am great. I am great. So let me just tag this here so you speak into it. Yes. So tell us a little bit about Asenso Farms. Where are you? What's your location?
Here is Asenso Cottage Farms. It is located in Asante Mampong, a suburb of Tatafroso. Yeah, and here we have poultry here, snails, quails, grass cutter, and a whole lot.
Wow,
yeah.
Wow, interesting. So how long ago do you think they started? You started the farm?
Me particular.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been here 2 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the farm has been here for
almost
a longer time.
5 to 6 years.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Awesome. So how large is the farm?
Our land is almost 6 acres.
For the ones that you have developed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So walk me through. Let's go to the paradise part of it. So that is his dwelling place, and then this is the wonderful. So tell me about your place.
Here we have our office and our storeroom, and where we keep other tools here, and this here we mix our feed there.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So the feed for the poultry,
yes,
for grass
and
cutter,
quails.
Quails.
Turkeys also available here.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you are in Asante Mampong.
Yeah. Wow. Tatafroso to be precise.
Nice. So this is a wonderful view of a pond, and they have fishes in there, right?
Catfish.
Awesome. So they have fishes. What type of fish?
Catfish and tilapia. So
Okay.
this first is mainly catfish and tilapia from that, but every pond there is catfish in it.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you have catfish, tilapia, and on this beautiful setting. So we're going to feed some of the snails. The fishes. Awesome. So these are catfish.
Yeah,
right?
catfish. They locally called pitili.
Okay. Or ajene. Right?
Ajune, but ajune, no many types of ajune. And
okay.
this one is pitili.
This one is pitili. Wow. Nice. Awesome. Wonderful. Wow, nice. So let me ask you, since you came here 2 years ago, have you ever been sick?
No.
Why would you be sick? People, why would someone be sick here? Because the air is fresh, the food is fresh, no chemicals, nothing. Everything is organic, organically made, organically produced here. So he has never been sick a day in his life since he came here. And I can see why, because you have natural everything, your plantains, cocoyams, all that are here. So let's move on to the other ponds and see. So this particular pond is just catfish.
Yes.
And then you have a relaxing place, you can relax. They do pizzas, they do quail, they do virtually everything. So what is this pond? Do you name them?
Akwesi, yeah.
This is Akwesi?
Yes.
Yes, I saw names on there. Why? Why are there names?
Because during the harvesting, you can get the number of fish that every pond can produce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If this one produce less, it's Akwesi. That name there just came out.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you are just labeling the
Akwesi.
whole. Wow. Nice. Awesome. And this pond is.
Less.
Oh, okay. A Appiah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is a Appiah.
Our grandpa.
Grandpa who is doing
Kofi.
work.
This
so this is Kofi. Okay. So Akwesi, that one is what? Kwesi means Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Sunday in
and
Ghanaian.
Friday born.
Yes, and Kofi is Friday. So they have interesting ways of naming their fish pond.
Yes,
and we have our protection here.
Molly.
Nice. Molly, how are you?
He's doing good.
Oh, okay.
And this
and this is Amma. Friday, right?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
So these are our ponds. We move forward. And we have relaxing places you can relax as well. Awesome place. And this is
Appiah Friday.
Whoa, Friday. Nice. So this one has what type of fish?
This is catfish.
Catfish.
Rather tilapia.
This is tilapia.
Yes.
And the other is also tilapia.
Tilapia.
So all the three coming after the
tilapia. And here is catfish.
Catfish. The three is also so three. Nice. Awesome. So what do you feed the tilapia?
Pardon?
What do you feed them? Like what do they eat?
So almost a year we have stopped feeding them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they can feed on their own.
Oh, okay. They can look for their own
food.
Ah, that's why you allow other insects to come in, so they feed from the insects. Awesome. Okay. So what is your grandpa doing?
He's weeding.
Okay. So maintenance of the pond, weeding and other stuff. Oh, awesome. Okay. Let's move ahead. Okay.
Farm manager.
Oh, okay, so that is our farm manager here. That's our farm. Oh, okay. So these are our farm bosses relaxing on their swings. Rather unfortunately, we cannot interview them, but hey, it's all excellent. You know, I like the place, the way they have done it. It's awesome. So this one is called what again?
Here.
Akosia.
Yeah,
okay.
Sunday.
Okay, Sunday female. Nice. And so why did you create the swings and everything so you can relax?
Yeah.
And then you do fires.
Yes.
You do bonfires?
Yes.
Whoa, awesome. Whoa, I like this one. So what is this area?
Yes, kitchen.
Yes. Open air
Inside,
kitchen.
Outside kitchen.
It's like this. You guys are living the life, man. This is. Whoa. This is an outdoor kitchen. Come over here. Let's look at this. So free air, outdoor kitchen. It has everything.
Cabinets.
It has an oven, right?
Yes, oven is
oven
behind.
Whoa. So you do pizzas. You do pizzas and everything.
Unless you can.
Right?
Yes, sir. Oven. I'm switching on the lights.
Okay, sure. Awesome. Whoa. This is the life, and this is banana, right?
Plantain.
Right, plantain, right from here.
Yes.
Awesome. And you have an oven.
Yes.
For doing pizzas and
smoker. Oven is at behind.
This is a smoker.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And where the orange is, sometimes we keep our firewood there.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this is an open air outdoor kitchen. How cool is that? You just have to stay here, eat, and do everything. Awesome. Wow. Interesting. And all these are grown here, right? You grow everything naturally. You do smoothies and all that. Impressive. Let's look at the oven. Let me look at your oven, because I love pizzas and all that, and ovens are like everything to me. Whoa, nice. So you do pizzas, everything, and then you do bonfires, and then you relax, and then you do investments. That's beautiful. I love the space so much. Awesome. And the whole facility is a 15-acre investment that the client is doing, and then he wants to expand further. He has more lands and want to expand further. So that is what we have been. So we have been at Asenso Cottage Farm, where you have everything. You have fishes, you have quails, you have chicken, the whole lot. And then they do biodigesters, reactors. So he's doing everything naturally. Everything here is just so natural. And that is my partner there, Collins, and the farm manager, Mr. Kwachi. Okay, awesome. So this has been an interesting view of Asenso Cottage Farm in the Asante Mampong. And then before that, let me do this. So it's a wonderful thing here. So I'm going to try out the swing. I hope I don't fall. So it's a wonderful day, and you are welcome to Trisolace. Here we came to Asenso Cottage Farm, where we have quails, catfish, tilapia, name it, chicken, turkey, and then we met Molly.
Yes.
The wild dog. Jack is also here. Oh, nice security. So at the end of the day, we have people who are investing in farming, eating and living natural, organically, and that is what we deliver to you. It has been a wonderful day, and you are hanging out with Trisolace. Have a wonderful day. Invest in something you can see and grow in your own house. Trisolace is here for you. Thank you.